Hi, my name is Don Morrison, and we live in Westwood Hills in Los Angeles. 8 years ago, we got the solar system just to be good citizens. And we were kind of unhappy with it. Well, more than unhappy with it, the bills seemed to be pretty high.
So the homeowners reached out to us so that we can evaluate and see their solar system and see how we can further improve the efficiency of their home. We saw that the solar system, although was working, was not properly working, so we were able to provide a solution for the homeowner where we would remove the solar system.
Besides doing the roof, which needed to be done, Treeium was able to take down all of the solar, clean it, rewire it, and reinstall it after the roof was on. And ever since, it's been going strong. So not only did we get a new roof, but we got a functioning solar system on top of that.
We would put a brand new roof on their home, completely efficient roof. A very high-end luxury choice that they chose was GAF roof. As master elite installers for GAF, we did a complete GAF system from the bottom to the top, starting with our Pro starter shingles, with our weather watch barriers, with our tiger paw underlayment, all the way to finish off the complete luxury look of their Grand Sequoia shingle to match the aesthetic of this beautiful neighborhood and the surrounding homes. We analyzed the attic and the quality of the insulation, where we found that the outdated insulation was not giving the home proper insulation, and we can improve the air quality significantly by replacing and putting brand new insulation to the home.
Oh, back in September when it was so hot, we noticed in the bedroom that it was a lot cooler at night because of the better insulation. So we called Treeium to get a roof, and we got our solar system back and a much better attic. I would recommend Treeium to any family and friends. In fact, I've done so already for friends of ours. Thank you, Treeium, for our roof, our energy system, and our cleaner and better insulated attic.
Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.